In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split images for large prints using Canva. If you've ever wanted to turn a single photo into a big wall poster using a regular printer, this workflow will make it simple. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design at the final size you want your poster to be. For example, if you're aiming for a 36 by 24 inch print, set those dimensions right away so everything scales correctly. If you're not sure of the final size yet, you can also begin with a blank canvas and adjust later. Just remember your split layout will reflect whatever size you choose at this stage. Next, head to the left sidebar and click on Apps. In the search bar, type Image Splitter, then open that tool. This is the feature that will automatically slice your image into equal pieces and place each piece onto its own page for easy printing. Upload the photo you want to turn into a large print, or pick one you've already added to your design. Choose a high-resolution image so the pieces look crisp when printed big. Inside the image splitter, select your image so the app knows what to divide. Now configure how you want the image split. Enter the number of rows and columns you need. For instance, 3 rows by 2 columns will give you 6 pieces. Think about your paper size and printer. If you're printing on standard letter or A4, consider how many sheets you want across and down to reach your final poster dimensions. For a seamless edge-to-edge look when you assemble, set the border size to 0. If you prefer a tiny overlap for easier alignment, set the border very small. Either option works, it depends on how you like to trim and tape. Click Split Image. Canva will generate each section and automatically add them as new pages in your project. You'll see your poster broken into perfectly aligned tiles. If the original full-size image page is still in your project, delete it to avoid downloading an extra page you don't need. When you're ready, go to Share, select Download, choose PDF Print, and download your file. PDF Print gives you the best quality for sharp lines and accurate colors. Print the pages, then carefully trim the edges so the pieces butt together cleanly. A craft knife and a ruler can help you get straight cuts. Line up the seams, and use tape on the back or a thin layer of glue to join the sheets. Work on a flat surface and press from the center outward to avoid wrinkles. And that's it, your large, split image poster is ready to display. Thanks for watching.